Hello, my name is Lucy, and if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome to Dove in Headfirst. Today I will be making a reversible camouflage belt. Kindly stay tuned and see how I achieved this look. I'm going to use this black fabric and the camouflage fabric. So I've already cut my pattern. It's folded into half. So that part is on my from underbra to my navel, which is 11. The length will be 12 because it's folded into half, and the back side where I'm pointing at, that will be 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
So once I cut the black piece of fabric, I lay it on top of the camouflage one, and then I just held it with pins on all sides, and what I'm doing right now is cutting it.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So I've gone ahead and sewn both of the sides as I'm showing. So I'm going to turn it inside out. And once I've done that, you can see one side is camouflage, the other side is the black shiny fabric. I also went ahead and did the strap. So basically what I did is just sewn it and then turned it inside out. The strap I'm holding is what I'm gonna use to belt it, and the smaller ones I'm gonna use to make the loops. So this is basically how I turn it inside out, actually right side front, because yeah, the back side is what's essentially out. So I just use a piece of, string, piece of chopstick, and I push it in like I'm doing and just keep pulling. It's pretty easy to do. So you just pull it until it's all the way out as I am doing right there.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It lasts so
I
long.
am recording in real time to show you how easy it is to do. So once I've done that, I'm going to start holding the loops in place. So what I'm going to do, as you can see there, is just fold it.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the
I apologize that I'm not centered. That's something that I'll work on my next video. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take the string and basically just do a zigzag while holding it with a pin. So my pins were quite far, so I'm just using needles over there. So I'm just gonna loop it in and out and all hold it. So that's the first one that I'm doing. And then I will fold it. I am sorry, I am off center. You cannot see my hand. But in the next video, you'll be able to see what I was doing. finished it off camera. So basically, I just looped it in and out. There is 7 of them in each side, and then as you can see, there are 7 in total. So the string is gonna essentially just go in and out of those zigzag looped holes.
We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running
I
wild.
finished doing this off camera. So what I've done now is just by hand, I've gone in and done tacking all the way around to hold it in place. The fabric is not very iron friendly, so I did not press it. So after this, I'm gonna go back to my sewing machine and just do the same thing but using the sewing machine. So this one over here is the final product which has been done. My top stitching is top notch for want of a better word. I've only been sewing since the summer of 2023, and that's the black side. I'm going to use the black belt or rope, the one that I'm showing for the black side, and then I'm going to use the beige one for the camouflage side. The beige belt is from another dress that I bought. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you stayed this long, kindly consider subscribing. See you next week with another video. Bye bye.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so